everybody, Mr. G here with Homework Rescue. Domain, name, charter, in. Today's date is 10/7/21. Round to the nearest 10, use a number line to model your thinking. Round to the nearest 10. That means we're looking at the tens moves. So we're going to have to model them on the number 2. So A is 43. I'm going to make this larger so that I can work this one at a time. So 43. 43 is in between 40 and 50. Those are the two tens that it's in between. Our halfway point is 45. And if I'm going to label the rest, it would be 40, 41, 2, and here's 43. 43 is less than halfway, so we're going to round down to 40. Remember, if I'm going too fast, you can pause the video, you can rewind, whatever you need. Alright, next we have 48, rounding to the nearest 10. Start to figure out what tens is 48 in between. Between 40 and 50. 40 and 50. Our halfway point would be 45. So I'm looking for 48. I need to plot 48. So I'm going to start at 45 because it's above 45. So 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. 48 would be right. So is 48 above halfway or below halfway? Right, it's above halfway. So we will round to 50. Alright, C. 73, rounding to the nearest 10. So what two tens is 73 in between? It's in between 70 and 80. Halfway point is 75. I need to plot 73. 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. 73 above halfway or below halfway? Below. So we're going to round 73 to 70. D, we have 173. We're still looking at the tens. Running to the nearest 10. So what that means is the hundreds is going to stay the same. That's going to be 100 something. It's going to be 100 something. 7, now we're looking at 73. 73 is in between 70 and 80. So 173 is in between 170 and 180. What would be the halfway? 175. So now I'm going to plot 173, 170, 175. So is 173 below or above halfway? Below. So we're going to round down to 170. We're still rounding to the nearest 10. The hundreds is going to stay the same. Now, 89. 89 is in between what two tens? 80 and 90. What's our halfway? 185. So I have to plot 189, 185, 186, 187, 189. So is 189 above halfway or below halfway? Right, above. So we're going to round up to 190. rounding to the nearest 10, which means 100 is going to stay the same. Now we're looking at 94. What two tens is 94 in between? 90 and this would be, what's 10 more than 90? 200. So what would be our halfway? Would be 195. I need to plot 194, 190, 191, 194 above halfway or below halfway? Below. So we round to 190. Next page. Okay, next. Round the weight of each item to the nearest 10 grams. Draw numbered lines to model your thinking. So we're rounding to the nearest 10 grams. So 10's place again. 45. So I'm going to draw my vertical number line. 45 is in between what two tens? 40 and 50. My halfway would be 45. And I need to plot 45. 45. Wait a minute, it's in the middle. But remember what I told you. If it's 5 or more, you raise the score. So it's 45 or more. So we're going to round up to the nearest 10, which would be 50 grams. Next, loaf of bread is 673 grams. So again, my vertical number line. Tens again. So that means the 6 is going to stay. Now we're just looking at 73. 73 is in between 70 and 80. What's our halfway? 675. So I have to plot 673, 671, 672, 673, 674, 675. 673 is above half or below half? Below. So we go around to 670. Okay, 670 grams. Next one. Next, we have word problem. So we need to use our. The garden club plants rows of carrots in the garden. One seed packet weighs 28 grams. Round the total weight of 2 seed packets to the nearest 10 grams. Model your thinking using a number line. So I have one that weighs 28 grams. They want 2. So first I have to add. Ready? That's 56. Now they want us to round that total to the nearest 10 grams. So I'm going to make a number line. 56 is in between 50 and 60. My halfway would be 55. 56 would be here. So it would round to 60 because it is more than halfway on the number line. Drew our number line, wrote our answer, and we did. Alright, remember, bring me back the paper sign tomorrow. Bring me back the paper sign tomorrow, and we will see you tomorrow.